Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuwiseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10,000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15,000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Trigonometric equations unga yivuli ngomeni unga tiluma noma n'wana ngu tlharihile. Yo wejiwa ni genius. N'wana ngu tlharihile. Manane jiwa ni genius. Yeah. Jaimito. Mai baba jaro kula imbacha. Danona jiti. Shoko. Ambokwata yay walava awulavi itazuku yawena yimanemi amukelaka the only channel that matters to watch. Loko mi la ku joina Vakhandle Burial Group ni kumeni ka 0765661277. So we have a referral program ne. Loko mi joina through mina I make money. Malomu WhatsApp number leyi nga laya o ya officially la an kumala mabo. So maro mi joina through mina I make money. Even na wena u nga swi kota ku tiendlela sweswo u hamba u joinisa vanhu ku hakela mali ku nyika 100 rand per member per policy, not per member, because ngaka mo policy wena 3 member rabo. So yeah, just to put that clear. So if you need more information about that, wherever you are, you can do it. Number 0765661277. So for me, as and that sense why Shama Combo are responding in that way, and so there is more to it. Like akorna someone behind, like it wouldn't make sense for Shama Combo to just blow up and disrespect Benima and Gan like that for no reason. And without being biased, where if you think I'm biased, it's fine. That's your own opinion. You're entitled to it. But not this narrative. I was once an MC in Northwest where NC was supposed to perform. And NC refused to perform before somebody because I go ninge fully man stage. Do you understand what I mean? I go ninge fully man stage. So. So people want to compare Benima and Shinyor. He doesn't do that just because his performance is so long and it's a live performance. It needs time planning. You can't put it at the end, right? Like, so what happened is Agian Barje John Ik performed after Benima and Benima was refusing that. That's number one. I said this Kuloko Shama Komba and such comments about Bomutanga Nabu what? Either developed opportunities. Apparently, Chabu confirmed this on his live. We'll talk about Chabu as well. The people who were in charge of that Aituban in Agori Mestem Zeng. One to says Agori Mestem Zeng. So you understand why you wouldn't want to mess up with such people. Even if you call Jejon to talk about, Jejon won't speak about such things. Jejon has no time for nonsense. Like that's how he approaches things. If things are controversial, you let them be. You will only answer things that need to be answered, especially about his craft and stuff like that. That's how Jejon operates. So I wouldn't even want to get his opinion on this matter. So sorry for that. So Benima and Gan are against to go a performer before Jejon. If you get a performer Jejon after year. Was a song of the year last year and stuff like that. But if that's the case, it doesn't make sense for me for Benima Yangan to open a stage for Jejon. Benima Yangan is a legend. Respect the name Benima Yangan. You may have a different view about Benima Yangan and stuff, but respect Benima Yangan. He's a legend. All of these people, they survive on trends, not Benima Yangan. So there is no way Benima Yangan was going to agree that a big artist will never agree to open a stage for an up and coming artist. You can say JJ is not it's not an upcoming artist, but to Benny Mayengani is still young, he's still a boy. Both in terms of age, experience in the music, number of hits, number of gigs, in all aspects, even the amounts they charge, totally different. So in all aspects, Benny Mayengani is way better than J. John, even when it comes to entertainment, because Benny Mayengani is a big brand and is a legend. So you cannot expect that. But also you look at it in different perspective, like each and every fighter wants the top spot. So when you are fighting, you are not fighting because there's a legend, I must not be number one. You might be in wrestling, you say, okay, fine, Konaba John Cena, I'm fighting to have 18 world heavyweight champions or 18 universal champions or 18 champions so that I can be better than John Cena. We're all fighting for that top spot. So but J. John, they are right, say our time has arrived, we want to fight it to the top. So you must understand their part as well. Right? So for me, I don't blame either party here. It's music, man. It's competition, this thing. Everyone has a right to the top position. Once you close the event, we'll remember you for that. The event will be remembered for you. Especially if it was televised, we're going to remember that. Right? So from both sides, I don't blame either party. To be quite, I understand Benny Mayengani. Like, he's a legend. You can't open a stage for J. John. Come on, man. You can't, like, that's Benny Mayengani. This is Benny Mayengani we're talking about. But also J. John, as a passionate musician, as a passionate young person, like, I'm fighting to be the greatest of them all. You are right to fight for that spot. Shama Combo is right to fight for other young people. Like, Benny Mayengani does that. Look at Alwela Sova MLFM, but he's fighting for other people to get a spot there. So Shama Combo is right. If J. John can't speak, you'll speak for J. John. You'll speak for other boys. Sometimes it may not be J. John, it will be someone else. So Shama Combo is right to speak out. Someone has to speak. It doesn't mean that if people are legends and then you must not speak against them. If you have a different view, voice it out. So Shama Combo is right to say that, to be quite honest. But that's my view, and by the way. So Shama Combo is right, but he must also look after his brand. He must also look after his pocket. You don't provoke certain people, like they're not part of that thing. Valua ka event ya Mtsenga luanga na vashaka. Let's call na Benny Mayengani. So you see, you are missing the bag there. But anyways, it's Shama Combo. So you don't want to fight each and every event organizer, Shama Combo. People who have money, who support you, who give you money. You can't just be fighting everyone. So that's my view on that. Let's go to Chavis MC. Chavis MC was a powerful live, very intelligent, very smart, very well articulate. So I love Chavis MC, me personally. Yeah. So he's very sober, he's very straightforward. And he says, one nigin malaria bujela. Yes, one nigin. Mar area bujela. He was doing me a favor. It was not for business. Because once you mix business with this thing, once you mix business with friendships, you are going to lose a lot. People are going to give you favors of 500 rand, 1,500 rand. Yet you charge 5,000 for a gig, and then you will never get that money. So they bring you closer to milk you. To milk your expertise, and then you never get anything back. You know, that thing of I apologize for any, so he doesn't apologize. It's not apologetic. Yeah, and that's number one. He gives an example. Chaviakum, when joking when I got my Fenya brothers. Listen to this joke. Erukuna joking when I got my Fenya brothers. Ne, jokile, my cancer is available below suit. Remember, Baloyi are interpreter ya Mackenzie ambile ngosi nabile geregenzo ya evi loko ba heta ku interpret avi loko va karhi va interpret akumangwana awu ajonsa hi ku nikela evi akuna mangwana na Baloyi ku nungishavele suit hile so sokutania evi loko amuka Baloyi, we know this video very all of us. So amuka loko va muka evi Baloyi tisa suit liya shuka amchumele kahle mfundisi mara suit liya hile era loko ta twisisa Mackenzie mara suit liya hile mama. So what Java was trying to say, the aringeta ku bula marito ya ku loko u pfuna munhu nga la u famba u flexa hi swona swi ranga n'wi pfuna a wu endlela tikhamera, a wu endlela ku la ku duma ku wa pfuna, a wu endlela ku la ku tiviwa ku hi ni pfunini. wa ni twisisa. So mara ntiyiso wa mhaka yi leyi so Chavi swi vula kahle la ku baloyi loko a vone ku va n'wi embarrassini mahlweni ka vanhu, what did you do? I tlherise mali. So that example is a very perfect example. CMC wena fana na Philani, tlherisa marhumbu, tlherisa mali yaleyo. Because why? U dyini mali, va ku embarrassini. So if you believe in that example as a principle, as you call it a principle, go return the money. Mara my biggest advice to you Chavi CMC i ku we number ya mail CMC u nga ni kuma ka yo 0765661277 is a Capitec linked number. Ni kombela u vuyisa mali yako kwa Nceko kwala ka account yaleyo. Inkomu CMC. But before nipfala, Chavi is very smart. That life was very fruitful. The rest of Gagash and stuff. Gagash is just a funny guy, just a miscalculated comedian who thinks he's a smart person. But I don't listen to nonsense. I think he just talks a lot, man. He talks a lot of stupid things, man. So I don't see a need to address that. Philani we know our Philippine.